Hello guys, welcome to today's video. In this video, I'll be showing you how to claim the Hamster Kombat daily cipher. The small code for today is register. This is for 6th September 2024. First thing you do is to click on daily cipher here. You click on daily cipher. The first letter for this code is R. To get this R, you do one dot, one dash, and another dot. For the E, you do just one dot. For the G, you do two dashes and one dot. Okay, we'll start again. The E is just one dot. For the G, two dashes and one dot. Then for the I, you do two dots. For the S, you do three dots. Then for the letter T, you do just one dash. Another E, you repeat the same thing. Remember, E is always one dot. The last letter, which is R, you do one dot, one dash, and another dot, just like the first letter. You click on take the price. That's it for today's daily cipher, 6th September 2024. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, and turn on notification bell.